Now, to delete your Instagram account or to place it on delete temporarily, click on this three horizontal line at the top right. After once you log into your profile, then go ahead and click on it. Now you are going to see account center. Click on it. Once you click on it, just scroll down. You are going to see account manage. Click on manage account. You are going to see manage. Go ahead and click on manage. Once you do that, you are going to do deactivation or delete. You go ahead and click on that. Here there are two very important things you need to know, right? Now the first one is deactivate account, while the second one is delete account. Now the first one, deactivate account, means that Instagram, once you click on it, then go ahead and click on continue. Instagram will not delete your account immediately. They will give you a 30 days grace period. So if you log back within those 30 days, your account will be reactivated. But after 30 days, it is gone permanently, right? So this first option is when you want to keep your account safe. Most times you are being dragged on social media or thereabouts, and the high rates of report is too much about one of the things. You will have to come here to select this and click on continue, right? So once you log in within the 30 days, your account is safe, right? So that is it. Now the second option here said delete account. Now once you delete your Instagram account by selecting this option, your photos, videos, followers, messages, everything will be gone, and there's no way for you to recover them after taking this action, right? So guys, that's how you can deactivate or delete your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for this YouTube channel for more easy tutorial like this. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.